Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express and this is our quick guide to roses. Roses are classic garden plants and are among the most popular in the world. They can be used in almost any garden style and can be quite versatile. Roses can be in the form of climbers, shrubs or miniature plants. Roses need plenty of sunlight and fertile, well-drained soil. They will survive in drier soils, in shady spots, but they won't grow or flower nearly as much. They flower in the summer and the blooms come in a whole range of colours. Some of them will have one round of flowering, while some will continue to flower for the whole summer, sometimes into the autumn. Roses will need some ongoing care after you've planted them. Until they're established, they should be watered regularly in the warmer months. Once they are established, however, their roots should be deep enough to get enough moisture, but still keep up with watering in hot, dry periods. There's also some pruning involved in growing roses. You'll generally just need to prune them to shape them nicely, but you also might need to do it to keep them healthy. Cut out any dead or damaged shoots and make sure the plant is open enough for good airflow. Our roses are sold in 4 main categories. Standard rose trees. Beautiful English roses grown as trees, with heads of flowers and foliage above tall, clear stems. These are charming gift size and a lovely addition to any garden border, patio or even a balcony in the summer. Bush and shrub roses. Perfect for a cottage-style garden and supplied in approximately 5-litre containers, these are hardy and reliable and will help you establish a sense of structure in your garden. Climbing roses. Climbing roses are ideal for training up virtually any structure like a door, wall, fence or trellis. Climbing roses bring a much needed height to any garden and add a real impact during the flowering season. Ground cover roses. Ground cover roses are fantastic if you have a larger area to landscape. These roses can be planted at any time of the year and are well suited to garden beds, borders and patio pots. They require minimal care with no fancy pruning. So that is our intro for roses. If you want any more information on plants and gardening, check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.